And baby, maybe I'm the wrong you like.
A little something like that.
Just ripping solos on mandolin, no big deal.
Ooh, I'm excited.
In the bass. Paul McCartney. That's the worst British accent. Paul McCartney.
My vision of this and the way that I think things like this will work really well is if it's you guys we don't have headphone mix like that. It's just you guys sit in here and play naturally like
Hi, Travis.
Oh, they have big
Order some dinner.
Huh? I'd only eat them if it was half and half with barbecue and then
buffalo chicken. There we go.
Honey barbecue or honey sesame?
My different.
My life!
Because I know they have strings
My
that
life!
say strings and keys. Hey girls, wait a
Letter
minute.
cooler.
Just a minute, watch.
Nice. Nice. You got another thing coming. Thing coming.
Strange, we were born and raised in the South, and we have no Southern accents.
Yeah, you do.
Well, a little bit. Not. Have you heard like?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
you still have them.
Well,
Sometimes it sounds like. Sometimes hers sounds like an English accent.
yeah, isn't that weird?
Yeah, but
It's a lot.
True. I don't mean it to.
not
I don't mean it to. I promise.
I want the blue box blues. Kraft macaroni and cheese. The blue box. We just did the same thing. It was fucking weird.
Sleep in your backyard. Wow. You said you could fly, but you never need to. Cause with us, you never try too hard. And you never will on a lonely night.
Hey, this is gonna sound really creepy, but can you turn the lights down a little bit?
No, I know
I don't mean it to sound creepy.
I got you.
Yo, we just finished recording with the lovely Level Sisters.
Hello.
It's
And
been a great day.
it came out amazing, and we can't wait for you guys to hear it. And you're in for some big surprises.
You're in for a treat. It came out better than we ever hoped it would.
Thank you guys.
Hope you guys like it.